Want to lose weight without expensive equipment or gym memberships? In this video, I'll share 10 powerful fat-burning exercises you can do at home with just your body weight. Let's get started. Number 1. Jumping jacks. This cardio move works your whole body. Stand with feet together and hands at your side. Jump up while spreading your feet wide and raising your hands overhead. Jump back to the starting position. Do these in bursts of 30 to 60 seconds. Number 2. Squats. Great for your glutes and thighs. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Push your hips back like sitting in a chair, bending your knees to 90 degrees. Make sure your knees stay behind your toes. Press through your heels back to start. Aim for 3 sets of 12 to 15 repetitions. Number 3. Lunges. Targets your leg and core. Step forward with one foot, bending both knees to 90 degrees. Keep your torso upright. Push back to standing and repeat on the other side. Do 10 to 12 lunges per leg. Number 4. Planks. Works your entire core. Come to a push-up position. Rest your forearms on the floor and balance on your toes. Keep your body in a straight line. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds, 3 to 5 times. Number 5. Crunches. Tones your abdominal muscles. Lie face up with knees bent and hands behind your head. Contract your abs to lift your shoulder blades a few inches off the floor. Don't pull on your neck. Do 2 to 3 sets of 15 crunches. Number 6. Push-ups. Strengthen your chest, shoulders and triceps. Place your hands under your shoulders in plank position. Bend your elbows and lower your chest toward the floor. Press back up. Start on your knees if needed. Do 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions. Number 7. High knees. Burns your calories and works your thighs. Run in place, lifting your knees as high as you can. Drive your arms for momentum. Shoot for 60 seconds of high intensity. Burpees. A full body exercise that spikes your heart rate from standing. Squat down and place your hands on the floor. Kick your feet back into a plank position. Do a push-up, then jump feet back in. Leap up off the floor. Repeat. Number 9. Mountain climbers. In plank position, bring one knee to your chest, then switch legs as fast as you can. Keep your core braced. Go for 60 seconds or as long as you can hold good form. Number 10. Jump rope. This cardio mimics jumping rope minus the rope. Simply bounce lightly on your toes, twisting your wrist as though holding a rope. Go non-stop for 1 to 2 minutes. There you have it, 10 simple yet effective exercises you can do at home to lose weight. No equipment needed. Start with 3 sets of each move, taking 30 to 60 seconds rest between sets. Over time, increase intensity or add moves together into fun combinations. The key is mixing it up and being consistent. Give these a try and let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time.